What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I like swimming.
Where's your hat?
My hat is on the table.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
How was your day?
My day was great, thanks for asking.
Is it cold outside?
No, it's not cold outside, it's warm.
Where's the bus stop?
The bus stop is on the corner.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you like painting?
Yes, I love painting.
Is it sunny today?
Yes, it's sunny today.
Can I have some water?
Sure, here's some water.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you like playing games?
Yes, I love playing games.
Where's your phone?
My phone is on the desk.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Can you play the guitar?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
Is your friend coming?
Yes, my friend is coming soon.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I love winter.
Are you at home?
Yes, I'm at home.
Is it morning or evening?
It's morning right now.
Do you have any sisters?
Yes, I have 2 sisters.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Can you write?
Yes, I can write.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
Where's your jacket?
My jacket is in the closet.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Is your house big?
Yes, my house is big.
Where do you work?
I work at a bank.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is water.
Can you see the moon?
Yes, I can see the moon.
Where are my keys?
Your keys are on the counter.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking.
Can you help me with this?
Sure. What do you need help with?
What's the weather like today?
The weather is sunny today.
Are you reading a book?
Yes, I'm reading a novel.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I like watching TV.
Where is the school?
The school is across the street.
Can you jump high?
Yes, I can jump high.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
Where's your friend?
My friend is at home.
Is your room clean?
Yes, my room is clean.
Do you know how to drive?
Yes, I know how to drive.
Can you hear the music?
Yes, I can hear the music.
Where is your bag?
Your bag is on the chair.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I'm happy today.
Can you open the door?
Sure, I'll open the door.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite song is Shape of You.
Do you like to run?
Yes, I enjoy running.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can sing.
Where are my shoes?
Your shoes are by the door.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance.
Where is your watch?
My watch is on my wrist.
Do you like to read stories?
Yes, I love reading stories.
Can you help me clean?
Yes, I can help you clean.
Is it hot today?
Yes, it's hot today.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is chess.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love chocolate.
Can you play soccer?
Yes, I can play soccer.
Where is the shop?
The shop is just down the street.
Are you working today?
Yes, I'm working today.
Do you like writing?
Yes, I enjoy writing.
Is it snowing?
No, it's not snowing today.
Where do you buy clothes?
I buy clothes at the mall.
Can you sit down?
Yes, you can sit here.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Where is the nearest park?
The nearest park is just around the corner.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
Can I use your phone?
Sure, you can use my phone.
Is this your umbrella?
Yes, this is my umbrella.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the park yesterday.
Can I play with you?
Yes, you can play with me.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is an apple.
Do you like to study?
Yes, I like studying.
Can you tell me the time?
It's 3 p.m.
Do you know this person?
Yes, I know that person.
Is there a cat in the room?
Yes, there's a cat in the room.
Where's the restaurant?
The restaurant is on Main Street.
Can you fix this?
Yes, I can fix this.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals.
Are you wearing shoes?
Yes, I'm wearing shoes.
Where's your brother?
My brother is at work.
Can you wait here?
Yes, you can wait here.
Is it your birthday today?
No, it's not my birthday today.
Do you like math?
Yes, I like math.
Where are you going today?
I'm going to the park today.
Can you speak louder?
Yes, please speak louder.
Is the book on the table?
Yes, the book is on the table.
Can you close the window?
Yes, I'll close the window.
Where's your homework?
My homework is in my backpack.
Do you like the food?
Yes, I like the food.
Are you tired now?
Yes, I'm a bit tired.
Can I have a pencil?
Sure, here's a pencil.
Is it your phone ringing?
Yes, it's your phone ringing.
Where's the train station?
The train station is just down the road.
Can you hear the birds?
Yes, I hear the birds.
Do you know this song?
Yes, I know that song.
Is there anyone home?
No, no one's home right now.
Where did you buy this?
I bought it at the mall.